Good morning, class 11 in the subject mathematics. Today we have our chapter complex number, and today we are doing some more solved questions on complex numbers of different kind. So question number 1 I have taken today as if x plus iota y equal to square root of a plus iota b upon c plus iota d, square root is in both numerator and denominator, then prove that x square plus y square whole square equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. So what is given here? You can clearly see x plus iota y equal to square root a plus iota b upon c plus iota d. Call it equation 1. And by conjugate property, you can write conjugate of x plus iota y as x minus iota y. Similarly, will be equal to conjugate of right hand side, that is square root a minus iota b upon c minus iota d. This is by conjugate property, you can always show. So this is equation 2. Then multiplying 1 and 2, you will get x plus iota y into x minus iota y equal to square root a plus iota b upon c plus iota d into square root a minus iota b upon c minus iota d, and after multiplying you will get left hand side x square plus y square equal to square root a square plus b square upon c square plus d square, which implies x square plus y square whole square equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square, and hence it is proved. This much we had to prove. So you can see here we have applied conjugate property and then we have got the required proof. Then question number 2, express iota to the power 9 plus iota to the power 19 in the form of a plus iota b. So iota to the power 9 plus iota to the power 19 you can write in terms of iota square as iota square to the power 4 into iota plus iota square to the power 9 into iota. But you know iota square is minus 1, already explained, to the power 4 into iota minus 1 to the power 9 into iota, putting the value of iota square here also. So minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1, 1 into iota is iota, and minus 1 to the power 9 is minus 1, that is minus iota, and iota minus iota is 0, and in the form of a plus iota b it is 0 plus 0 iota. A is 0, b is 0. Then question number 3, evaluate iota to the power 18 plus 1 upon iota to the power 25 whole cube. So again you have to break it in terms of iota square, and it is iota square to the power 9 into 1 upon iota square to the power 12 whole cube. Then putting the value of iota square as minus 1 to the power 9 plus 1 upon minus 1 to the power 12 into iota, and after simplifying you will get it minus 1 plus 1 upon iota whole cube, and deleting iota from denominator you will get it minus 1 minus iota whole cube minus 1 cube is minus 1 outside, and it is then 1 plus iota whole cube, that is minus will remain outside, and it is 1 plus iota cube plus 3 iota into 1 plus iota using algebraic formula a plus b whole cube, and after simplifying you will get answer as 2 minus 2 iota. That is how you have to solve it, and finally it is a complex number in the standard form a plus iota b. Question number 4 is express 4 upon iota cube in the form of a plus iota b. Question number 5 is evaluate 2 plus iota whole square minus 2 minus iota into 3 plus 4 iota upon 2 minus iota whole square plus 4 plus iota into 6 minus iota in the standard form of complex number. This you have to do. And question number 6 is find conjugate of 1 minus 3 iota within bracket into 1 plus 4 iota within bracket into 1 plus 5 iota within bracket, and this is what first you have to find it in the standard form and then conjugate of it. So question number 4, 5 and 6 are for your doing. Do them and show it to me.